Hi, Hannah. This is Mindy Wheat. I wanted to talk to you about how Joseph is doing on Compass, or also known as Edgenuity. So, if you have him log in, you can always check his progress by clicking on the portfolio button off on the left. Up will pop a window, and in the window, you can see what he has done for today. You can also click over here on the left and see what he has done this week. The score of NA just means that it was an activity, but not anything that had him do an assignment where it can give him a grade, and that is totally fine. It doesn't mean he did anything wrong. When I look back here at a month, I can start seeing some scores. Anything below 70, the computer makes him do the activity one more time. So that's why you're seeing here instruction practice with context clues, and again instruction practice with context clues, because when he did the activity quiz he got 60%. When I click on that activity, I can actually see the questions that he was asked. The first one he got correct. He was able to listen to the sentence and figure out which picture matches that sentence. Emmy wore a warm parka or jacket because it was so cold outside. And that definitely matches C. So he got that one right. He also got this next sentence right and matched it with the correct picture. And for question 3, he was unable to get this one. It says, look at the picture and listen to the sentence. The fat bird has black and white plumes, or that look like a fan. Which word would make sense? And he said turkey, because it is a picture of a turkey, but turkey wouldn't make sense that it's black and white plumes or turkey. It would be C, feathers. Another question that was tricky for him was which mark in a sentence might help you find the meaning of a new word. He did question mark, but it should have been the comma. It should have been A, because that's often signifying that they're defining the word, just like up here, where there's a comma after plumes and after the feathers. The fifth one he got right. He was able to figure that one out, and that was the end of that quiz. So just so you kind of understand what they were asking and why it was tricky, they're going to give him another assignment, another quiz, and we'll see how he does on that, and hopefully he will get 70% or higher.